Alright guys, we just got in this Jeep Comanche 1990. Really beautiful truck. Haven't seen one in a while, especially this clean. He just went to Gatlinburg and bought it at the show. We just put a high flow cat on it. I just wanted to show it to you guys because it's a really clean truck. I'm surprised how clean it is. Really nicely done. I'll let you guys see on the inside. It's really clean, beautiful truck. It's got 184,000 miles on it. Well, you really can't tell it from the way it looks. There it is. Got a nice lift kit on it. Just really nice. I'll show you guys the front of it. Right there. Still got stock mufflers and everything on it. We just put a high flow cat on it for him so he can get it through emissions. Let you guys see under. There's the high flow cat we put. And it had a stock muffler and everything. Even the frame, everything's really clean. I just wanted to let you guys see it. I think you guys like it. There it is, Jeep Comanche. You don't see them every day, especially this clean. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. There it is. One more walk around. Here's under the hood. If you guys know anything about the inline six, there it is. Can't beat that Jeep motor.
Straight six, huh?
Yeah, straight six. Really nicely done. Not too much done. Jeep Comanche, and you can tell from it was on the show 3 years in a row. In the Show and Shine show. It's still stock. He didn't want it too loud.